If you have an idea, product, or service and trying to create an online business with it, my company will help you build your entire business, even from scratch, and do the marketing for you for free. That's right. My company will build an entire business for you, run your marketing, and make sure before we hand it over to you that you're in the profit margins and you don't pay a dime till you do. Obviously, I can't make this guarantee to just anyone. You got to meet the basic and simple criteria. So one, you have to have an existing idea, product, or service. Meaning, even if it's on a piece of napkin and it's realistic, you could have something physical or digital. You could have anything pertaining to e-com, or you could be an inventor, even with a digital mobile app, or you could be a coach and consultant or an agency service. Two, you have to realize that there's some investment in your part as far as money and time, right? Which leads into the third one is basically you have to be coachable, you have to be teachable, and follow instructions. Really mandatory here. Now, the way we're able to do this is quite simple. Let me give you a quick breakdown, a quick glance of the whole process. So first of all, we do a business personal profile system. What that is basically we're extracting your information, your knowledge, your wisdom, and your experience and expertise on your overall business. And that way we create a system from it. That way it's a plug and play effect later on. So we front load the first process and system. That way all we require of you at first is these questions that you need to answer. That way we plug them to the software and systems we have already that will help create all the other systems later on. Second, we have customer customization method, which this process is so uniquely built and refined, and with so many years of experience of it, all we do is take the first foundation that we took already and plug and play to this system and have your customers design and customize the product for you. That way they'll create their own product and system that's highly desirable and almost impossible for them to say no. Then the next system we have is the advanced funnel designs. So this highly effective method is a conversion and follow-up system already built for you. Now remember, these are machines that's already built. All you gotta do is tweak them as time goes on, as your customer demands of it also, which is your platforms, your websites, funnels, and apps via everything if you need it. And then we have your follow-up system, which is a text messaging, the messenger, WhatsApp, and everything else that follows up to your clients or customers to have that higher conversion rate and to pick up that 80% that initially says no, right? Then we have the marketing mastery, which is insane within itself. So for 30 days, we're gonna build your ads, run your ads, pay out of pocket for your ads, so you don't pay a dime either on them, as we tweak them and we find them. That way we know what works, was a great offer, was a great hook, and what's catching your client's interest. That way when we hand it over to you, you already have a proven template of your own business and what's already working up and running. And one of the bonuses we threw in this is our coaching program. That way not only you learn how to catch a fish, but we'll teach you how to do so, and we're holding your hand for the entire year. Our goal is for you to hit your 7 figures or wherever tier you come in as and hit your mark. That's our goal, and we want to hold your hand through the whole process, not build a business, throw it to you and say good luck and have a nice life. We'll be with you the whole way. Like I said, if you meet this basic criteria, then it's a high chance you will be qualified and we'll be able to help you. So remember, you got to have an idea, a product or service, or one and plan for it, and be coachable, teachable, and follow instructions. That's a high requirement. Now, if this sounds like something you're interested in and you want a company to build your entire business and do the marketing for you until you make money before we hand it over, then go ahead, click on the link or the page anywhere here. And what you need to do next is watch the entire video as I break it down in more granular details, and you'll see if this is for you or not. Then proceed and filling out the application in its entirety. If you're the right fit and you meet the basic requirements, then congratulations, you're in already, right? So go ahead and click the link around here and watch the video in its whole entirety. It's not a webinar, it's only like 20 minutes long, but you need to understand the concepts and the basic foundations to see if you're a right fit and if you even want to do this in the first place. We want serious people who believe in themselves and believe in what they're doing and believe that their product, service, or idea could be a big impact in the world to their market. Now click on the link around here and talk to you soon.